Oh, nice. Perfect timing, girl. Burping my daughter at 4, at 5 o'clock in the morning. Hey, girl. You good? Ready to go back to bed? Ready to go back to bed, cutie? Hmm? I love you. She was 3 months old yesterday. You turned into a big girl, right? Right? You turned into a grown woman. Let's go upstairs. Time to put it to bed. Time to put it to bed. You ready to go up, mama? Hey. Hey. Did you puke? No, she don't want to lay down. Okay. Okay. You okay? Hmm? It's you, girl. You want to go back to bed? Hmm? Hmm? Who's that? Who's that girl? Who's that cutie? Who's that girl? Who's this? Who's that girl looking at? That's you. It's sleepy you in the morning. It's sleepy you in the morning. You ready to go back to bed? Hmm? Hmm? You ready to go back to bed, girl? Hmm? Hmm? Ah. You going back to bed now? Hmm? Ready? You look bright and wide and awake like you're not go back to bed. You're not go back to bed, though. Dog, you stay up with daddy. Yeah, man, stay up with daddy. Come and love daddy, you know. You cutie, I want it near you. Hey, world. Me and my daddy apart in the morning, you know. I puke, you go puke on daddy. You puke on me. Hmm? Mwah. So cute. Hey, isn't nice?